Okay, so the last thing I'm going to go over tonight is some basic calculus. And you might have already taken calculus, but if, oh, sorry.
I have. I'm pretty familiar with it.
Okay, sweet. So for physics 1 then, all you really need to understand is, just basic derivatives. Very, very simple derivatives, particularly like power rule. So I guess just a little refreshers, as you know, as you move the r down, you subtract 1 from the exponential, right? And here's I don't know why the middle one's so blurry, and here's a basic summary of what you would do. Okay, and then there's some more practice too, but the other thing I did want to go over is something that's particularly important also is to understand the derivatives of all the trigonometric functions. And these are things you really just memorize. You never really know how it actually works. So I would advise just making sure you have these written down and you have these on hand. It will save you a lot of time.